In this example, we will be evaluating the square root of 39. To do this, we'll round our solution to our nearest tenths place value. First, we'll find perfect squares nearby to 39. 6 squared is equal to 36, and 7 squared is equal to 49. So we can see that 39 falls between 36 and 49. Using this information, we can write the following inequality. 36 is less than 39, which is less than 49. Now we can take the square root of all of these values. So we get the square root of 36 is less than the square root of 39, which is less than the square root of 49. We can replace the square root of 36 with 6, because 6 squared is 36. We can replace the square root of 49 with 7, because 7 squared is 49. Now we can see that the square root of 39 lies between 6 and 7. However, it'll be closer to 6 because 39 is closer to 36. So we can try values closer to 6 and see when we multiply them by themselves what we get and if it's close to 39 or not. Let's try 6.2 squared first, which is 6.2 times 6.2. 2 times 2 is 4. 6 times 2 is 12. Add our 0. 6 times 2 is 12, carry our 1, and then 6 times 6 is 36 plus 1 is 37. Now we add these together, we get 4, 4, 8, 3. We get 38.44, which is very close to 39. So we can round this to 39, and therefore say that 6.2 squared is approximately 39. Now we can take the square root of both sides, and in this case the square root will cancel with the squared on the 6.2, so we'll end up getting 6.2 is about the square root of 39, and this will be our approximation of the square root of 39.